Man, this is natural bench. You can sit over this. Time to go back. In Ooty, you can expect anything anytime. Better to go down. Have reached the botanical garden. It's away ahead, and the guy who was there, the receptionist at my stay, was telling that you should have at least 3 or 4 hours to explore this. During the long weekends and all, there's a lot of rush here. The bus conductor told me that it's not usually this much of a traffic on Saturday, Sunday, but yeah, then because of this year-end holidays, and most of the companies, like some of the companies I know in Bangalore, have declared year-end holidays, even in Noida. So because of that, people are leveraging the benefit of these long week holidays and all. See, these structures are very common in south. I don't know, upside they have this bells or what on the top. And yeah, there are a slew of churches here. They are not countable. Innumerable number of churches in Ooty and in Mysore as well. The two which I came across are CSI Trinity Church, and the other one I forgot, Union Church. Yeah. So this is the entrance for the botanical garden, and see the rush. From there you can get the ticket, and ticket cost is 100 for adult and 50 for children. And if you are carrying a static camera which takes only the photo, for that it is 50 rupees. And if you want to carry the video camera, that will be 100 rupees. So for me it took almost 200, because 100 for the adult check-in, means adult entry ticket, and 100 for the video camera, the GoPro which I am carrying. So let's go. This is the ticket. It's looking serene and green and clean, this botanical garden, government botanical garden. And also there is lot of there is a much of a North Indian crowd, as I can distinguish between Hindi and Tamil. And also when you are about to enter this botanical garden, right, they have this tea and coffee. Some shops are there, and some souvenir shops. Here is your garden. It has a very big area. It has a large area, this botanical garden. And above you can see those hills. There is one symbol over there, JJ, J and reverse J. Looks like the Juventus football club symbol. Yeah. People are roaming around here like it's a normal park. I am getting the same vibes as the Kaman Park in Bengaluru, and also same as that Sukna Lake, right? Sukna Lake or Rose Garden, some garden there in Chandigarh. This Tamil Nadu is very pocket friendly, especially the transport. But stay, if you will book at the last moment, at that time there will be a challenge, and you may get this stays at a very high price. Luckily my GoPro is not heating up at this moment. Check this. What's that? They don't have this inscription where I can find what's the name of this plant or whatever. Is it growing in water or what? Don't know. This structure which you are seeing is an vulture, the pride of Nilgiris. So it's associated with your Arulgam. Arulgam is an organization in Tamil Nadu which promotes the saving of these vultures, and also to avoid the poisoning of these animals, which play an important role in our ecosystem, in the Indian ecosystem especially. and they also at the same time are involved in some bunch of the projects which are afforestation, nursery, and also saving of this vultures. This place is fine in the whole botanical garden. Not sure if these are the flora and fauna which are native to this place, or they have built up the system like that. Rock, bog garden, sunken garden, fountain terrace. On the back of me is the path towards Todamad, but I won't be going there. I'll be going here because there are a lot of gardens over here. So they have this. Again, they have Todamuds here as well. Sunken garden, cacti house, Italian garden, and whatnot. Some road over here leads to the private property. Just to be vigilant about this. Check this. I think this will lead you to the Toda's Mund. And the steps are very steep. See. Top garden. Where is this? I don't know, there are dozens of gardens over here. This is the botanical garden, and inside this they have this 6 or 7 gardens or 6 or 7 paths, and they are like random, go anywhere. Take a V turn, you will get left and right. Take a right turn towards the V, again you will get left and right. And I have reached on significant height. There's a tree over here which is way taller than me. Check this. For those who don't know, this garden was established in 1847 and it has an area of 22 hectares, which in acres is equal to 54 acres, and there are almost 650 species in this park. This place is such a bulbulaya. Now here goes the Rajat path. Time to go back. In Ooty you can expect anything anytime. Better to go down. I don't know what's that. Maybe some buffalo. Doesn't look like that. Let's go back. Never thought going down would be this fun. I am not even pushing myself. This path are just pushing me downside. That's because I am going towards the lower arena of botanical garden. Let's take right from here and get there. Check this out. They have some path, they have some road over here. I was not expecting that. Now that I have reached on the top, I don't guess there's further any summit. There's a road over there which goes from here to here, don't know which one. And this is the highest point, I guess. Man, I don't know where I am going. Nobody's there who is wandering at this altitude. I am expecting someone, at least one guy. Ah, okay. Oof. There is this. Oh man, this is a road. Man, look, this is surreal. Seems like entering into another world. So now that I have roamed around this Ooty garden, it seems that it's a very vast area, almost 54 acres. And because of that, they have divided this into almost 8, 9, 10 sections. Like Italian garden, they have new garden, and then they have lower garden, and the place where I am right now, this is the top garden. I don't know, somehow I didn't find in their manual where is top garden, but yeah, this is the top garden all over. And apart from that, they have conservatory, nurseries, and the one which I showed back right of that vulture, that organization. Now this is not deforestation because I am very comfortable on this. Oh, check this out. Oh, my phone got out of my pocket. But yeah, that's it. Ah, they have built some other as well. And that as well. So these are the wooden logs. They have cut this tree and left this much space for me to sit. So they have this at I don't know, bunch of places, dozens of places, this seat made out of wooden. And what's that? Yeah. Check the crowd. Seems like a herd of cattle. This reminds me of that movie which I saw. I don't know. For it on Netflix, it was there. It was by. It was a zombie movie, and the main character was Rick. Don't remember exactly the name, but it has a lot of views. And yeah, that reminds me of this. This reminds me of that. And vice versa. is almond crunch. I have taken one almond, one raisin, and one butter crunch. Bhaiya, what is the name of your shop?
Lucky Bag.
हाँ, Satish, and I have taken from Lucky Bag. I'll meet him later. तो यार यहाँ से ले लिया था एक आलमंड क्रंच और एक रम एंड रेजिन, और एक का नाम मैं भूल गया क्या था. आलमंड क्रंच, रम एंड रेजिन, पता नहीं होगा कुछ नाम. एंड वन आई गेस बटर वाला था, हाँ बटर. सो आई टुक 3